As 2021 comes to an end, the season to find the word of the year has begun. Countries, credible dictionaries, and even Merriam-Webster have all selected a word of the year. With some leaving the decision until January 2022, in this video we are going to take a look at the first batch of Word of the Year 2021 awards. Let's go. Not surprisingly, most have gone for COVID-related words. First up is the aforementioned Merriam-Webster Online Dictionary. Its word for 2021 is vaccine. No surprises there then. According to Merriam-Webster in 2021, the search for the meaning of vaccine had a 600% increase on 2020 and over 1,000% increase on 2019, by far the most searched for word on the Merriam-Webster website. In the same vein, if you pardon the pun, Oxford English Dictionary's word of the year 2021 is vax. The word vax is the second oldest word on this list. It was first used as an abbreviation in 1799 by its inventor, Edward Jenner. Unlike Merriam-Webster, the Oxford English Dictionary Word of the Year is selected by a committee, not by number search. In Australia, there is an agreement between the National Dictionary Centre and the Macquarie Dictionary, Australia's official and legal dictionary. Both committee-led organisations decided the Australian Word of the Year 2021 is stroll out. Stroll out is a play on words combining roll out and stroll. A stroll meaning a walk at a slow and leisurely pace. Many Australians regard the vaccine rollout as being at this slow and leisurely pace. The Cambridge Dictionary's Word of the Year is one of only two on this list that is not COVID related. Perseverance is the oldest word on our list, first used in the Middle Ages, although in 2021 it has a modern significance. Perseverance being the name of the space exploration shuttle that landed on the planet Mars way back in February 2021. For the Collins Dictionary, the word of 2021 is not a word, but three letters. NFT, which stands for non-fungible token, which is the unique digital identifier that records ownership of a digital asset such as a creative artwork or a collective item. NFT may seem a bit of an unusual choice. However, in Australia, NFT was on the Macquarie Dictionary shortlist of 2021, so maybe it is an expression worth looking out for in the future. The Australian and the UK Word of the Year is unofficially determined by their respected dictionaries. Some countries, however, do declare their own official Word of the Year. The Netherlands Word of the Year is decided by public vote. Over 40,000 Dutch citizens voted this as its Word of the Year 2021, which in English means vaccine regret. The feeling of regret one gets after taking the COVID vaccine. Special mention must be given to the Society for the German Language, which began the concept of Word of the Year half a century ago, when in 1971 its Word of the Year was rebellious. In 2021, the German Word of the Year is Wellenbrecher. I'm probably mispronouncing that word, but it means breakwater. A word to describe a barrier that stops coastal water from flooding land. But this is 2021, and so there is a COVID context. It refers to people and actions that somehow halt or slow down the spread of the COVID virus. A stark contrast in attitude to the Dutch mindset, it seems. Look out for part 2 of Word of the Year in January, when Ireland, India and other nations declare their Word of the Year 2021. What's your personal Word of the Year 2021? Leave it in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check us out on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.